Welcome to my channel. Today here we discuss about the rigid diatomic molecule. Rigid diatomic molecule म्हणजे here आपण दोन atom घेणार आहे. Rigid means only rotation, no vibration, only rotation and no vibration. Let us suppose that here is the plane of the paper and here is the first atom and here is the second atom attached between a bond. Here is suppose the first atom mass is m1, second atom mass is the m2 and here is the center of gravity. Center of gravity. Then what is center of gravity? Let assume that suppose here माझ्याजवळ एक ऑब्जेक्ट आहे त्याचं मास एका बाजूला कमी आहे एका बाजूला जास्त आहे आणि जर मी ह्याला रोटेट केलं किंवा रोटेशन दिलं तर मग दोघांच्या मध्ये एक पॉइंटला ते स्थिर राहतं. सपोज ह्या पॉइंटला स्थिर राहत असेल तर त्याला म्हणायचं सेंटर ऑफ gravity. The distance between first atom and the center of gravity is r1 and the distance between the center of gravity and second atom is r2 and overall distance between two atoms is r1. So at center of gravity we know that m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2 and we know that the moment of inertia I is equal to m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square. Then again we modified this equation m1 into r1 into r1 plus m2 r2 into r2. Then here we know that m1 r1 equal to m2 r2. So m1 r1 here we write m2 r2 into r1 plus again m2 r2 means m1 r1. So m1 here we write m2 r2 is m1 r1 into r2. Then here we common r1 r2 m1 into m1 plus m2. Let here we equation number 8. Suppose that then first condition suppose m1 r1 equal to m2 r2. Here we know that r2 is equal to distance between two atoms is r0 and distance between the center of gravity and second atom is r2. Therefore r2 is equal to r0 minus r1. r0 minus r1. Therefore and r1 is equal to r0 minus r2. Therefore in first condition suppose m1 r1 is equal to m2 into value of r2 is r0 minus r1. We solve this bracket m2 r0 minus m2 r1. m1 r1. Therefore m1 r1 plus m2 r1. The minus होता इकडे गेल्यानंतर तो प्लस झाला त्याच्यानंतर m2 r0. Therefore we have common r1 m1 plus r2 is equal to m2 r0. Therefore r1 equal to m2 r0 divided by m1 plus m2. This is equation number small a. Again second condition m1 r1 equal to m2 r2. Here the value of r1 is r0 minus r2. Therefore m1 into r0 minus r2 equal to m2 r2. Therefore m1 r0 bracket solve, after bracket solve, m1 r0 into m1 r2 equal to m2 r2. Again here m1 r0 equal to m2 r2 minus आपला झाला m1 r2. Again here we common r2 m1 plus m2. Here m1 r0. Therefore r2 is equal to m1 r0 divided by m1 plus m2, and this is the equation small b. We put value small a and small b in equation. Capital A, we have I moment of inertia I equal to value of r1 is m2 r0 m2 r0 divided by m1 plus m2 into value of r2 m1 r0 divided by m1 plus m2 into bracket m1 plus m2. Then we have m1 m2 into r0 square divided by m1 plus m2 into m1 plus m2. This m1 plus m2, this m1 to m2 get cancelled. So we have I is equal to m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 into r0 square. So this m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 is nothing but mu. This is called as the equation of moment of inertia. I is equal to mu r0 square, or this is reduce the mass. Thanks for watching.